Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Valerian Etheria. Valerian Etheria is a natural supplement derived from the Valeriana officinalis plant, often used to support relaxation and sleep. It's available in various forms like capsules and tinctures, offering a gentle way to promote calmness. Understanding its origins helps appreciate its traditional uses for well-being and a sense of peace. When considering Valerian Etheria, typical doses range from 300 to 600 milligrams, depending on the product and your needs. It comes in convenient forms such as capsules, tablets, and liquid extracts. Always remember to follow the specific instructions provided on your chosen product. For personalized guidance, especially if you have health concerns, it is wise to consult a healthcare professional. For optimal results, take Valerian Etheria approximately 30 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. You can take it with or without food, whichever is more convenient for you. If you are using a tincture, simply mix the recommended number of drops with a small amount of water. Remember, it's important to avoid operating heavy machinery or driving after taking this supplement. Valerian Etheria may offer several benefits, including improved sleep quality and a reduction in feelings of anxiety. Many users experience a calming effect on their nervous system, promoting a sense of tranquility. However, be aware of potential side effects, such as mild dizziness or stomach upset. It is crucial not to combine Valerian Etheria with alcohol or other sedative medications to ensure your safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.